naman eh.
Lamig, ano? Pwede bang pinitin mo yung katawan ko?
Eh, paano?
Ikaw nang bahala.
Sige.
Masarap yun!
Hoy! Hindi snow ko niyan! Wiwi ko yan! Hello mga pamilya! Ako po si Kim at ito ang matanglawin na short version. Bago po ang lahat, bago po ako magsimula, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ng lahat po ng taong sumusuporta sa Banana Split at syempre po sa PMPC. Dahil po sa inyo, kami ay nanalo ng Best Gag Show. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Pero hindi ko napapatagalin tumutang lawin na episode natin ngayon kung saan tatawagin ko si Igor. Igor!
Yes!
Okay, wait. Congratulations! Yes! Best Gag Show! Yes! Wait. Later! Do my spiel. Okay, ayon po sa study ngayon, alam niyo po ba mga kapamilya na napakaraming kabataan ngayon ang nagiging obese. Kaya naman maraming kumpanya ang gumagawa ng mga exercise equipment o fitness equipment kung saan para lahat ng kabataan ay maging fit ngayon. Okay ba, Igor?
Okay.
Okay.
Tama?
Bakit? Okay, dahil ano, may bago ka na namang imbensyon.
Meron ako bagong invention.
Okay, what's your new invention?
Ito, meron ako bagong invention. Ang tawag dito ay iBarbell 4.
iBarbell 4. So meaning may first version na yan, may second, may 3.
Yes.
This is the fourth.
Yes, iBarbell 4. Ito bagong ito.
Okay, new model.
Yeah, new
okay, sige, subukan natin yan. Kamaringos, pera mo ng cellphone. Okay. Ang dami yung direksyon ha. Okay, so this is my cellphone, but no barbell, so no use.
Yeah.
So I'll throw this. So how does this one work?
You call me, and when you call me, and you drop the cord. You call me and you drop the cord. Don't drop the phone. Sayang.
Okay, so call. Okay.
Hello?
Drop. Again?
Yes, keep going. Hello?
Drop.
Hello?
Drop.
Hello?
Drop.
Hey, someone keep calling me and keep dropping. I keep answering, but nobody's talking. Wait, something's idea. I hate this one. I'm answering, but no one is talking to me. Why are you screaming? No.
God.
Keep calling. Why are you not talking?
Okay, let's move on. I don't like this invention. It's yes, full of effort. Give it to ano. Okay, you have anything else? You have new. Thank you. You have new other invention?
Meron ako isa pa, pinakabagong, ito, totoo bagong invention eh.
Okay.
Ito sobrang pinakamagandang invention eh.
Wow.
Tignan mo.
What is this? Ano?
Ito invention, ang tawag dito ay
Dehydration?
Of course, alam mo?
Of course.
Dehydration treadmill.
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 Wow. So wait, when you do this, you can't joke with the one running because it's very easy to get accidents, right?
Yes.
So you can't do this while you're running. You can't do that.
Bawal.
Bad.
Ito bawal.
Okay, so you can't do that. Bawal. No more. So what's the purpose of this?
This one, you know, before you run, before you try this, 4 days, do not drink water.
So before you run, 4 na araw po mga kapamilya, huwag po kayong iinom ng tubig.
Tama? Huwag po kayo inom ng tubig. Kasi, and then, when you drink water, when you run here,
okay,
you want to drink water.
Oh yes.
Because you are thirsty.
Okay.
The water is here. The water makes you keep running.
Okay, I get it. So, don't drink for 4 days, mga kapamilya, dahil pag kayo po ay tumakbo, uhaw na uhaw kayo, so ito ang magiging motivation ninyo. So, you're gonna try to reach this.
Yes.
How are you gonna reach it?
He cannot reach it.
What if I help him like this? Whoop. Oh, joke lang. Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, why don't you try it?
Ito mo, mag-try?
Yes. Thank you sa inyong pag-demo.
It's very good for our exercise.
Okay. Oh, slowly. You hold. Oh, you hold. I have this new, you know what? Kapamilya, I have this new invention. This invention, you run. What's your speed? Okay, that's 28. Speed 28. It's very fast. You hold. And then, this is the game. Like, you work your abs. Kailangan trabahuin natin yung mga abs natin, mga kapamilya. Left, right, left. So, you make ilag, okay? Oh, here comes the water. Okay. Here comes the water. Four. You make ilag. Karma, mga kapamilya po ang karma. You make ilag.